Today, we're here at Lakeview at Stonecrest by Rockhaven Homes. And as you can see, one of the best-selling features of this home is this large owner's suite. And I got to catch up with Sam to find out more. Well, Sam, I understand that this is an award-winning community with two phases, both single-family homes and townhomes. So talk to me a little bit about it.
Well, Greer, the collection is our first phase, townhome product, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. And then the Summit is our second phase. It features our single-family homes. In the summer, our residents will be able to enjoy a serene Lakeview pool and cabana area. Spring and fall are a perfect time for outdoor activities at nearby Arabia or Stone Mountain Park. And with the holidays coming, you are only minutes to a multitude of shopping, dining, and entertainment options offered around Stonecrest Mall and the just recently opened new Black Wall Street Market. Plus, this community has easy access to I-20 and I-285 to take you wherever you need to go.
Today, we are in the stunning Winbrook model, and the owner's suite is truly something to see in this model home, but there is really so much to love.
Greer, these homes come with fully loaded included features that you just don't find in every house. Our single family homes at the Summit include whole house blinds, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, tile backsplashes, hardwood floors, and fireplaces with slate surround. Our award-winning community has 3, 4, and 5 bedroom plans that offer a spacious sitting area in the owner's suite with massive walk-in closets and luxurious baths. Our pricing on our townhomes start in the mid-200s and our single-family homes are in the mid-300s. Plus, we have an amazing partnership with Wilco Electric, so all homes come with a smart home ready package and our customers can meet with a smart home consultant to choose the upgrades and security options that they want in their brand new home.
And I understand that this neighborhood is selling fast and you're actually 3/4 of the way there, is that right?
That's right, Greer. We would love to have you come out and visit with us today. Check us out at rockhavengeorgia.com or call us at 470-407-4091.
Well, Sam, thanks so much for being here with me today. And like we said, this neighborhood is going fast. So come and check out Lakeview at Stonecrest by Rockhaven Homes today.